Hello everyone, I am Vivekanand Sutar. Today I'll be discussing how to set up an API gateway. So before we set up an API gateway, few things we need to know. Like the API gateway can be set up through an independent installation before you run an API deployment. So we need to first set up an API gateway before we run those API deployments. Those are actually set up locally on a machine within your network only on a single tenant and clustered gateway that will allow any number of API deployments to be housed on it. So the points will be like the gateway system requirements, and we will have to go through the documentation for that. What all are the system requirements, the hardware requirement, and what all checks needs to be done. Then we have to download the gateway installer, and then we will have to go through the checklist. If those matches, then successfully we can set up one gateway on our environment. So I'll share my screen, and I'll show how we can set up one gateway just for an example. First, log into your Boomi account. Then we can go to services. Under services, we can go to API management. Then there is the tab configure server. There we will go to gateways. Here there are no gateways present right away. So what I'll do, I'll click on add a gateway. As per our need, we can configure Windows or Linux. So I'll choose Windows 64-bit because my machine is a Windows machine. So I'll download the installer. Here there is a security option. I'll expand it. I'll generate the token which I'll use later within the installation process. So I've copied it. The installer has already been downloaded. I'll just open it. Remember to have your administrative rights uh, before you make any changes to the system. So here we can see there are few options like the username or password that I can use. But remember, I have copied the token. So I'll go with the token here. I'll just paste the token which I generated and copied from the portal. Then I'll say next. You can choose any name of your gateway as per your convenience. I have just went through the IP only. So it will ask for you to where do you want to set up your gateway, the folder you can choose it, and then say next. These are editable. You can say your temp directory and other local libraries. You can configure those by your own. So these are simple installation processes. Just go next. Then we'll finish this. Now see, we can see the gateway has already been created. If you click on the gateway, you can see the options. Yeah, see, right now the gateway says it is offline, so we can wait for it to get online, or from here only we can force click on this force gateway online, and this will make the gateway online. For further information, we will go through other videos. Thank you for watching.